With the aloe vera gel, right? This is just me applying it directly to my scalp. And this aloe vera gel is not mixed with water, it's just straight out of the blender. So you can see that it's a little bit slimy, and I'm just trying to use my hand to, spread it and all that. You guys. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry that I sound a bit croaky. I have catarrh and I am not feeling well. So usually I like to use the fresh aloe vera gel. I have the plant. You can see this yellowish stuff. When you cut the plant, you're going to get this stuff. So you have to rinse this stuff out, because this sap it can irritate your skin and it can cause itching and all that. So you have to make sure you rinse it out. You can either wait for it to sip off, is that the word, or you can just rinse it out, wash that part, and make sure that yellowish stuff is out, because you don't want to get that stuff in your hair or your skin. And I'm going to be using this. I'm going to use knife too. I'm going to use a big knife, I think, yeah, and then I'm going to use a spoon, yeah, and a clear jar, or a bottle, anyone that you have. This is me just rinsing that the aloe, the root of it, just to get that yellowish thing out, because it can really, really irritate you. So yeah, I just rinse it off. See, it's clean now. Yeah. Okay, so I kind of fast track this part, but there's definitely a slow version coming up, so stay tuned. I'll first cut the part of the aloe vera, the sharp part, yeah. Then I'll scoop it. I'll scoop the gel. Okay, see, so I try to do something here. I try to not blend it and just pass it through the cheesecloth, and trust me, man, that was a big waste of my time. It didn't work. So I had to get the blender, scoop it, the clear gel, put it inside the blender and blend it. So yeah, see, I cut the sharp part first and divided the aloe, the middle. Then I scoop it. You see, it's very easy. When you are scooping it, just make sure that you are not scooping the green parts, okay? Because you want to get as much as the clear part into your blender and little to none of the green part in your blender. Sorry that my voice is like this, man. I feel so sick. Okay. Okay, for me, using those two big aloe vera, it did produce quite a number of God, Jesus, my stupid Igbo accent. It did produce quite a number of gels, so you can use just one. Just one will be enough. I think I used that too, because I don't know, I needed to keep some for the week. But make sure you put it in the fridge if you are going to keep some. Okay. You see this aloe vera, yeah, that one that you scooped, you can just rub it on your face later on, because there's still a little bit of the gel in it on the leaf, the back, yeah. And the one in the container, this I'm going to transfer my aloe vera, this bottle, the one I'm going to store in the fridge, yeah. And this is my blender. Okay, I pour it into your blender. You see how it is? Just pour it into your blender gently. See, it looks like some blocks. And okay, there's also another thing. When you blend aloe vera, right, No water, oh, do not blend aloe vera with water. When you blend aloe vera gel, it forms a kind of like some foamy stuff. Like it becomes foamy, you get, like it looks really foamy, that you probably think that, oh, there's something wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's normal. That's how aloe vera is. When you blend it, you just get foamy. So usually I still sieve it though, regardless. Although for some people, once you blend it and you trust your blender, everything is smooth now, you don't have to sieve it. But for me, I always sieve it because I don't want to mistakenly get anything stuck in my hair, because I have locks now and I don't want to pass through the stress of removing anything from my hair. So I'll just pass it through the cheesecloth like this, squeeze it. Make sure your hands are clean and everything around you is clean, because you don't want to get bacteria into the mixture, right? People actually drink aloe vera to lose weight though. Like, do you get legit? People drink aloe vera to lose weight, but well, I'm not trying to lose any weight, so I'm just going to put it in my hair and on my skin. Okay, so at this point, you can use aloe vera as your pre-pro. I hope you know. You apply it to your applicator, but to massage it into your scalp, cover your hair. Then when you are ready to go in, start your wash routine, then you can start. You can also use aloe vera. I add a part of it to my spray bottle as my daily mist. But make sure you put this in the fridge so it doesn't go bad, and you can use it up within a week. So that's another method to use it. You can also use it as a mask. I made a very detailed video about aloe vera, so you can just scroll up on my channel. You see a video about aloe vera there. You can use it as a mask too. So you apply it to your hair. You can combine it with the greenhouse effect. So apply it to your hair, apply your hair oil, massage your scalp, cover your hair with a plastic bag, cover it with cotton, and go to bed. You wake up to soft, moisturized hair. Like, you guys, you know that apart from shea butter, my next goat is aloe vera. And you guys, please, I'm still selling shea butter in bulk. I'm selling whipped shea butter. I'm selling African black soap for your skin, for your hair. Please, patronize my market at nappyc_ is my business page, or you can send me a message on Instagram, stolid_p. And okay, this is the aloe vera that I've got now. You see, it's quite a lot. It is quite a lot, so I can store this in the fridge and use it up within a week. Okay, you guys, so this is what the fresh aloe vera juice looks like. You see, it's not slimy, because I blended it, and it actually doesn't smell weird. For me, I don't think aloe vera smells weird. I mean, it's just aloe vera. So you can either use this as your hair mask. You can add your essential oils to this. You can add lemongrass oil. You can add tea tree oil or peppermint, depending on what you want. Just drops of it, because essential oils are really, really potent. They are strong, so you don't want to use a lot of it, right? So usually what I do, I use as my hair mask for my dreadlocks, or I'll just add it to my spray bottle for my hair mist. Let me get my spray bottle. Hold on. If it looks kind of like so that it looks a little bit pinkish or peach or whatever, I was experimenting with a certain type of rose water, like pure rose water, for my hair. But basically what I will do is, I'll just take the aloe and I'll add a part of it to my spray bottle. You get, so let me show you guys quickly. So anytime I want to use it, I'll just see, easy.